And we're rolling, we're back, it's working now. This is great. Take 374. Hello, boss man. So our question for you today is, on a scale of 1 to 10, how stressed are you for the Sennheiser Creator Night tonight?
If you had asked me 5 seconds ago, I would have said I'm not stressed at all. But now that I'm on camera, I'm very stressed. No, I'm about a 2 out of 10. I think it's going to be a great night, and I'm trusting the process.
Okay.
Can you hear me okay? If I'm to be really honest, I'm about a 5 out of 10 stressed because it's very cold outside. In Sydney, it's raining today. I'm hoping people will come. And if they do, they're going to hear all the good stuff.
Richard! Hello, Richard. Hello. No, I'm sorry about that. I can't leave you alone. I'm so sorry. We've got to ask you the burning question.
What's the burning question?
How stressed are you on a scale of 1 to 10 for the Sennheiser Creator Night?
Dying on the inside.
You're dying
It's like
on
a
the
10 out of 10.
Oh, God.
Yeah, it's real
God.
bad. I'm really dying. It's real bad. Realistically, I'm not really stressed. I got this.
That was really bad. I'm so sorry.
Really, I'm not stressed. I just said that for the shits and giggles. I got this.
How stressed are you? How stressed are you on a scale of 1 to 10 for the Sennheiser Creator Night?
You can't see my face, like I'm stressed already.
He's very stressed. Can you see his face?
Hi camera. I'm thinking to play some music on this speaker.
That's it.
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how stressed are you for the Sennheiser Creator Night?
But wait, didn't I do this before?
No, this is our first take. How stressed are you, Elliot?
Probably a 6. But if I was honest, it gets worse every minute I think about it, so it might be a 7. It could become an 8. But when I actually see the guys come through and all the peeps come through, it might go down to like a 5 again, because they're really good, but it just went to a 10. Honest, it's like a 1. I'm not stressing. We got the best team in the whole industry, and Sennheiser's coming through.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how stressed are you for the Sennheiser Creator Night tonight?
Oh, well, stress levels are different to what they were this morning. It's more anticipation. I wouldn't call it stress. Excitement. I think there might be more the words I'm looking for. So there's no stress here. Like, we know what we're doing.
It's been a really, really long day. We've still got 6 hours to go. Doing great. Yeah. This one's very interesting. How stressed are you on a scale of 1 to 10 for the Sennheiser Creator Night?
I am stressed that I've been eating all day. I'm a stress eater.
Are we all?
Yeah.
I'm also a stress eater.
I've just been eating. I'm actually not that stressed. I think I'm just eating just because, I don't know, just felt like it. I'm actually not that stressed, but it's going to be a good night. It'll be good. Why are you laughing at me? I'm actually not that stressed. But sometimes you need to tell people you're stressed so they think that things need to get done quicker.
Artie in the flesh, everybody. One may ask, Joelle, on a scale of 1 to 10, how stressed are you for the Sennheiser Creator Night? And you know what? I'm pretty stressed. You know, the internet was down before. You know, we had a little bit of complications with the microphones. We forgot to click record, unfortunately. So, yeah, I'd say I'm pretty stressed. But you know what? We've got a good team of professionals, and I think they're doing a great job handling everything. My job is probably the easiest out of all of them. You know, I sat around making TikToks for most of the day, and then I ate lunch, and then I visited the bathroom about 7 times. But you know what? Hey, it worked out in the end. So, that's a wrap. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen.